Why does the author use the claim that Native Americans are not originally Americans? Where do we have this reference? It is the third paragraph that has this reference when it says that in some cases genetic analysis comes into conflict with existing knowledge, and it offers the example of the claim that Native Americans are not originally American but merely earlier immigrants from Europe. So we need an answer choice that indicates that there is a conflict between genetic analysis and existing knowledge. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, denounce genetic revision. In the context of the reference of Native Americans, the passage hints at a conflict between genetic analysis and existing knowledge. Also, the third paragraph talks about several uncertainties related to the genetic analysis. However, the author's treatment is very objective in nature, and it cannot be established that the author denounces genetic revision. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, prove that genetic revision will redefine social world. The third paragraph states that genetic analysis may even change how we define the social world. So the passage hints at a possibility of genetic revision redefining social world, but does not prove that such a thing will happen. Also, to offer any proof is not the purpose behind the mention of Native Americans. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, indicate that genetic revision is bound to provoke debate. In the context of the mention of Native Americans, the passage hints at a conflict between genetic analysis and existing knowledge. However, it is too extreme to state that genetic revision is bound to provoke debate. This is an extreme answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Let's see if we have a better answer choice. Answer choice D, highlight that genetic analysis may come in conflict with accepted beliefs. Yes, this is what is implied here in the context of the Native Americans, because the third paragraph states that in some cases genetic analysis may come in conflict with existing knowledge, and then it gives the example of Native Americans not being originally Americans but merely earlier immigrants from Europe. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Now between answer choice C and answer choice D, answer choice D better aligns with the mention of the conflict here. So let's eliminate answer choice C. Answer choice E, to show that genetic data is quick in producing new theories. The passage has a reference to genetic data being quick in producing theories of human difference and kinship. However, this reference is not in the context of the Native Americans. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.